Hello dear phasmatic friends! Today, equations with radicals. That means equations with square roots. Follow me please. First of all, if we identify that we have an equation and that we have a square root, we must follow some steps, some very easy steps. First of all, one root on the left side. After that, square both sides. And 3, if you already have roots, repeat steps 1 and 2. And obviously after that you solve and that's it. So, first of all, we're gonna leave the square root on the left side. And we are gonna pass everything to the right side. Now, the second step, square both sides. And if you square a square root, the square root and the exponent goodbye, leaving 5x plus 1 equal to, and pay attention please, it is very important. Here you have a binomial squared, because I have students that square the first, square the second, but no. Remember the rule. You can see our video of binomial squared. Remember the first squared, you copy the sign, twice the first times the second, and plus the second squared. Now, we see that we have a quadratic equation, so we have to put everything equal to 0. Then x squared plus 2x. The 5x will pass as negative 5x. Plus 1 is here, but the plus 1 here will pass as negative 1. We simplify it and we have x squared plus 2x minus 5x, negative 3x. And plus 1 minus 1 is 0. Now, we have a quadratic equation that can be solved with 3 main methods. Factoring, the quadratic formula, and completing the square. So, we're going to use factoring. I see it is very simple here. We have 2 terms. And is something repeating in both terms? Yes, the x. So we write x and we divide x squared by x. Negative divided by positive, negative. 3x divided by x is 3. And finally, remember that when you have factors multiplying equal to 0, each factor will be equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. We have finished. Nothing to do here. And x is equal to 3. But pay attention. When you solve equations with radicals, it is very important to verify the answers, because you could have a solution that it is not true. You can do everything right, but those solutions could not be the solutions of the equation. So you replace the 0 here and you will see that it is true. You replace the 3 here and you will see that it is true. If you had solutions that are not true, you could say this equation has no solution. Or maybe one solution is correct, but the other solution is not correct. Okay? Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.